Hi friends, it's Morah Rachel here, and today I'm going to show you how I make Israeli salad in honor of Israel's birthday. So the ingredients you need are lemon, mint, oil, and salt. This is for the dressing. And then we need a tomato, 2 Israeli cucumbers so you don't have to peel them, and I'm going to use 1/4 of a red onion. And then I'm going to chop all these. So that's something your mommy can do. I don't want you guys chopping. And I'll show you the next step when I'm done. Okay, so now I chopped all my vegetables. And here's where you can help your mommies. I'm gonna put all these vegetables in this glass bowl. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the juice of half a lemon. So either you can take it and squeeze it directly on top of the salad, or you can use a lemon squeezer. I have one here, and twist and turn the lemon to get all the juice. You could see over here, there's the juice. And then you're going to pour it on top of the salad, of all the vegetables. Next, I'm going to take a little olive oil and sprinkle it on top. I'm going to do the same thing with salt. Take some salt, sprinkle a little bit on top. Take some mint, sprinkle it on top. And then I'm going to take a spoon. I'm going to mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. And there you have it. Israeli salad. Don't forget to say ha'adama and enjoy. Send me pictures if you made it.